All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Sunday, December 14th. You are watching this on Monday, December 15th, but I did trade Asia. Why is that? I'm skiing in Colorado right now. The time difference is kind of fucked, so I'm not trying to wake up at 7 a.m. to trade. So I did kind of catch a nice short in Asia. You guys know I usually don't trade it, but it was kind of clean today, so I went for it. You can see I made around $2,000 across all my Tradify evals, so now I just passed 150Ks. You can see I made 9,000 per account. Max allocation locked on Tradify right here. I don't know why I only have 4 accounts on Lucid. I think I blew the 5th one. I never passed that eval. You guys have been knowing this. I have 4 accounts now. I made $400 on each one, so that's around $1,600 on the day with Lucid. My accounts are at $53,000, so hopefully I can be looking to take another $7,000 payout at the end of this week, which would be around $22,000 in payouts in 2 weeks, which would be very nice, right? So let's scratch that image. Now we have alpha. I am looking to scale. Coming out of December, I'm going to be slow, and then coming into January, I want to start trading more aggressively into the new year. So I am going to be picking up 550k zero accounts with alpha and trade them on top of all my accounts. I do believe alpha is a great firm. The reason I have not been trading them recently is just because I've been focusing on passing my accounts with other prop firms. But now that I have, I can 100% trade alpha. They generally have the best rules in the industry. I don't know why I haven't been trading them enough, but let's go over my thought process, why I went short, and I don't know why the market is dumping right now, but I'm gonna tell you my thought process coming into the day, right? So on the higher time frame, obviously we are bearish. If we look at the daily time frame, we did break structure on Friday to the downside on the daily time frame. We already mitigated this daily gap, so I don't really care much about it. We have this unfilled daily below us. Don't really care much about it either. On the weekly time frame, there's literally not much to it, right? Nothing to see here. Daily 4 hour, this is where it gets good. On the 1 hour time frame, we could see price had this big ass 1 hour bearish gap, right? You have this big ass 1 hour bearish gap. Price taps into it. Now, from there, what do we get? We get a reaction to the downside. Is that all I'm looking for? No. You guys know how I trade, right? Let's keep going. We have 1 hour gap that we tap into. We invert all these 15-minute bullish gaps. We keep pushing lower. What do we see here? We see two things. We see price, okay, taps into 0.618 and 0.705 of the range, right? Top to bottom, respects it. And what do we see here? Inside this OTE, a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, which you can see right around here, right? So we tap into this 15-minute bearish gap, which is also in OTE of the range, right? I'm not going to lie, when market opened, I really just wanted it to open lower. I don't know what the fuck this open was. I'm not the market maker. I don't know what the fuck that was. But tap into 0.705 and we do get a bearish reaction from it. We're also still in this 15-minute bearish gap. So this would have been nice if I entered here. But no. My fill was all the way down here. Stops are around this high and take profit was all the way down here. It was a 1-to-1 risk reward. Pretty nice trade. I went very low risk on this trade. I entered 5 micros on my Lucid. And like I mentioned before, that's just because I found out the payout cap is $1,500 on the 50K Lucid Pros, which is what I'm on, right? So there's no need for me to actually risk heavy when there's a $1,500 payout cap. I can just be carefree, risk very little, and I already have my buffer built. So what I'm going to do is build my accounts up to 3.6 thousand, which they're at 3.2 thousand right now. Build them up to 3.6 thousand, take 1.5 out of 4 accounts. That is a $6,000 payout. Lucid's payout were pretty fast. I literally got paid out in, I think, 2 minutes. The money was in my bank, which is ridiculous. Tradify took a few days. Alpha Futures literally paid me out the next day. So I'll tell you that. Fastest payouts in the industry, Lucid, Alpha Futures, and then Tradify. Topstep banned my bitch ass. I fucking hate Topstep. I'm going to shit on them so hard in the upcoming months because if you guys know, I was the first one to get banned from fucking Topstep. It was me. I made videos saying I got banned from Topstep. They cut down on me because I got $300,000 in payouts and cut me out of their program. And a lot of people were talking shit saying that I'm lying online and that they banned me for different reasons. And then now a bunch of other traders like Riley Botha, Xander, I don't know if it was Xander or Edu from Spaghetti Trades, a lot of other traders have been getting banned recently. And now everyone's realizing that Topstep is going to shit, right? But when I told you guys, no one fucking listened, right? I told you guys they're banning traders that make money from them. If you're profitable from Topstep, in the near future, you're gonna get your ass banned, right? So that fucking sucks. But entered off this large 1 minute displacement to the downside. Not only is it a 1 minute displacement, but it is also a strong 3 minute candle closure, right? So we swept these highs, closed lower in the 3 minute, creating a 3 minute change setting delivery, delivering from OT of the range. I sound like a nerd. Oh my god, I sound like such a nerd. OT of the range. OT of the range, 15-minute gap, 1 hour bearish gap above us as well, with clear low resistance liquidity right here. Pretty simple and easy trade, right? I also liked these lows. Did I trade them? Absolutely not. You guys know I only trade to internal targets. What is an internal target? An easy way for me to explain an internal target is literally price that you could see in the same leg. This is visible in the same leg, right? Is it not visible for me to see this in the same exact time frame that I'm trading on? Yes. How much do I got to zoom out to see this low? This is external, right? Because this leg would be internal to this leg right here. But we just kept on making legs to the upside, tapped into this 1 hour, and created new price legs, right? So this is our most recent swing low. What are we gonna do? Tap into a PD rate OT of the range, clear displacement to the downside towards our most recent obvious swing low, or prominent swing low, which was this low, right? So pretty honestly, in my opinion, it was a pretty obvious trade. I only take trades that I believe are obvious in my eyes, and I teach you guys that everyone, once you're profitable, you're going to trade different, right? When you're a profitable trader, you are going to view the market different than I do. In 5 years down the line, I'm going to view the markets differently than I do today, right? I'm going to adapt to the markets as they change and as they grow on a daily basis, because what I trade right now, will it work in 5 years? 100%. Will I be taking the exact same entries and exits? I don't know. I'll probably be taking, hopefully, more optimal entries and exits. Hopefully, I'll be top ticking like this, right? That would be pretty cool, right? But my goal is to get better as a trader every day, to teach you guys how I do that so you can do the same, right? That is my goal as a trader, is to optimize my trading so I could kind of transfer that knowledge to you so you can make as much money as fucking physically possible. So if you guys have any questions about the trade I took, it was a pretty clear short, right? To summarize it, 4 hour was bearish, 1 hour was bearish, 1 hour bearish gap, 15-minute bearish gap, OT of the range, targeting the most recent swing low. Right? That's literally it. It is so simple. Right? Any questions, feel free to comment. I do have a free Discord in the bio. And like I mentioned before, the only prop firms I trade are Alpha Future, Lucid, and Tradeify. Code Ale will give you the best percentage off any account size you choose. It will match their best sale and help support me, who teaches you every day for fucking free. So I will see you boys tomorrow. Have a blessed day and peace out. Trade safe.